An AR drawing sketch paint app for Android is a creative mobile application that utilizes augmented reality AR technology to enhance the drawing and painting experience. These apps allow users to sketch and paint in a virtual space overlaying digital images onto the real world through the device's camera. The best AR drawing and painting apps feature intuitive interface, a range of drawing tools and virtual canvases that user can manipulate in their physical environment. User can interact with their creation in real time, adjusting size and perspective with adds depth and realism to their artwork. These applications cater to artists of all skill level, enabling them to experiment with different style and techniques without traditional limitations. They often include features like layer, color palettes and sharing options, making it easy for users to showcase their art on social media or collaborate with others. So install this application, go to Google Play Store and search AR Drawing Sketch and Paint and install it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.